but we're doing a Pokemon opening. Let's go. Mini tins.
I can't even open it.
Oh, so we're starting with the booster pack.
How do you open
Darkness Ablaze. Use this. My little bro. See what you get from this Darkness Ablaze pack.
This thing doesn't open.
What you get? Let's see. 4 cards. Did you see shiny thing? 2, 3, 4. Okay. Energy. You got a V.
Oh my god.
That's a good one?
Butterfree. That's the most common.
Go. Do the video, go.
$1 card.
That
Or
$1?
or more. I'm not, $2, maybe 2. Nice one, bro. Jeez. I mean, nice.
Put it down.
Wait.
Put the damn thing down.
Okay,
it deserves to be honored, not
Okay,
received.
so let's put it there. That's the good card section. The energy section and the bad cards. Oh, here's a code card. Enjoy some free Pokemon. Should I post this on YouTube? Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Okay,
Wait, what is that? Okay. Well, you guys can redeem this. Oh, don't be
Green
blurry.
energy.
There. There we go. Enjoy it. Oh, that's so cool, right? We never pulled like a V. Why'd you look?
Oh. I got that one.
Oh, you got a gold card. The gold ones. Okay, that's okay. Fusion Strike, not that good. Okay, now we're moving on to the big boys. 3B packs.
Bro, why is this coin
Coin?
so big?
Dang. Here, we'll put the coins there. Organize the store. Okay, yeah, those. Oh, Darkness Ablaze.
Yes, I'm opening this first.
Okay.
You look like a big.
Darkness Ablaze. I don't like Pokemon, but it's cool though. I used to do openings, but okay. Enjoy a free Pokey. Green card must look good.
4.
See, dark energy,
Energy.
powerful energy. See. It's okay. We still got this. We never opened these. Wait, let me show it to the viewers. It's 4 packs for champions. Celebrations Day.
4? So how much?
4
time,
cards in there.
how much time do I have to do it back?
I don't know. Maybe once.
Yeah, once.
Is that a rare?
Oh my god, that's so good.
Oh. Enjoy some free celebrations.
Oh my god!
That's a good one.
No! Surfing! That's a secret rare! That's a secret rare! Surfing Pikachu! It's a secret rare!
Oh my god.
This dude is insane, bro! Oh! Do not.
This dude just earned $1,000. Tapu Lele? This dude is so lucky. We're sorry. We're sorry.
People gonna call the cops on
You're
us.
right.
You think we beat you up here? Don't do it anymore.
Wait, these are still good too. Dude, those are worth money. Sorry.
Told you. I don't want to hit nobody. Have fun, play.
thing. I'm not even just gonna go.
So this is the good packs. This is the good cards in this pack. Okay, we got Tapu Lele, GX.
Wait, where's? That was it?
So we got Tapu Lele,
No, do
GX.
not.
We got Assert. That was the best packs in there. That was the lucky pack. That was the lucky thing. First I chose that thing for you, so you better thank me. So guys, and we got a Mew. This is also good. Put it in there. So, yeah, that's the end of the video.
This.